What you came for?
Fufu Tacos!
Fufu Tacos! Shrimp, chicken, beef.
So
how is it? How is it?
First reaction.
Your first.
Let's get that.
It's good, huh? Okay.
Close the window and
Well, I got the King Daniel show tonight.
So I'm out here at Jambo Africa, owned by my Liberian super chef, and it's owned by Mr. Liberian himself.
The one and only celebrity chef in the city right now, Liberian chef, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not just a Liberian chef. I'm for like everybody, you know what I'm saying? Nigerian, Ghanaian, everybody, you know what I'm saying? And I'm just here trying to put us on the map the right way, and making like Fufu Tacos. People are like, what the heck is Fufu? Yeah, Fufu Taco? Yeah, what the heck? You know what I'm saying? So stuff like that, that's how we can compete with the rest of the world out there, man. You know, we gotta start taking the jollof rice to like the next level. We gotta start taking the fufu and soup to like the next level. How do we do that? You know what I'm saying? Right now, I will show you guys how we do that. Because rip the carpet out,
Okay.
put a hardwood floor. I did this by myself.
Oh wow.
On my knees, everything. I called a professional up.
Yeah.
They said that they would charge me $2 per wood. to
Oh
lay it
wow.
down.
Yeah, that's how they do it. Yeah.
I did the math. That shit came out, I think, to like 40 G's. $40,000. Yeah, counted $2.
Yeah, $2 per. Yeah, yeah.
You know what I'm saying? How many?
Wow. So you was
So-
like, let me just do this myself.
So you did it yourself?
Myself, yeah. And then painting the wall, we got all that done. This stuff right here, they had a brick wall blocking this right here. But then the brick wall, you see the mark?
Oh yeah, yeah.
It went all the way up there. So I told myself, if I hire somebody and they do this wrong,
looking at the
this
camera.
whole
We're
glass
looking at
right
the
here,
camera.
this whole glass right here, right, will be shattered. So I had to do it the right way, and I did it myself.
But
Took me
also,
all-
have you tried to put
took me a whole week.
the address? Have you tried to put the address on Google, like so that when people search your name?
Not
they-
yet. I mean, I just
Yeah.
opened up like a couple of days ago, and I haven't even done my grand opening yet. So you know,
Yeah.
it's like
It's coming.
yeah. It's
And
like
you
a
did
process.
all this
I
by
did all this
hand.
stuff. You see, I mean, like I still gotta nail this stuff down too. You see, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
But
so that it doesn't hurt
that's a
someone.
hand work. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, exactly.
It's gonna be done.
But sometimes they say, the best way to do things is sometimes doing it yourself.
Yeah. The secret is I'm starting off here in the African community. It's
Yeah.
a reason why. Because I'm gonna take this restaurant to the suburban area, like downtown,
Okay,
among
okay.
the white folks. But
Yeah,
I don't
like
want
uptown.
I don't want my own people saying, "Oh, this man, he forgot about
He's
us."
trying to be
Oh,
too
yeah, he's over
fancy.
there.
He's trying to be
Yeah,
too
trying to be
fancy.
So I'm starting it on here first. I'm gonna leave this one going while I go over there.
Exactly,
so,
exactly.
You know,
So they can't say that.
You can't say
There's
nothing. You
to
can't
say.
say nothing.
And they can support you all the way over
Yeah,
there,
because
too.
I know who we are.
Yeah,
You know what I'm
yeah,
saying?
yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
that's why I had to do it here.
Exactly.
You know? And then, you see that right there? Open kitchen. You can
So
go
you
to,
can see
You can
what
go to no African restaurant that have that right
That's
there.
true.
I bust that wall
That's
myself.
true,
I got videos of me busting it open myself. Yeah, I did it myself.
That's what's
I swear to God.
Yeah.
Did it myself. So now you can look. You can. Hey,
Part again.
I'm just organic, man. You
So
gonna have
wait,
to pick me up. Now,
let me reverse you.
Yeah.
So you're saying you're gonna have menus on the tablet?
On the
and
tablet.
on the table.
On the table. So that means that once you like come in, right? All the food I'm gonna be making in there, right? I will do videos of all my food.
Yeah.
So when you sitting on the table and you don't know what is what, you just click on it and it
It'll show
plays
the
you
video.
the
Yeah,
videos
the
what
visual.
their food
Oh, that's gonna
is
be a nice
about.
touch.
Know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that'd
And
be
that's
nice.
it. Because a lot of people sometimes they go out and they see a menu, but they don't have a visual of how that
What it
food
looks,
looks like.
yeah.
So once that food comes out, they're like, this is not what I
Yeah,
ordered,
yeah.
but
It's
this is
not
what
the-
was on the menu when
Yeah,
you
yeah,
ordered
yeah,
it.
yeah, yeah.
I'm saying, so now I have a video, like a visual thing
Okay.
now, you can see it because that's the future too.
Yeah,
You know what
yeah,
I'm saying?
yeah.
And then I'm gonna have plants up like big flower pots because I believe in nature. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Like plants.
I remember that
are like
just to
alive.
refer you back when you said about the menu thing, and I remember just in Vegas when I went to an Asian restaurant and
they had
the menu had pictures of all the food. So because when we first went to an Italian restaurant, we were just seeing big names and
See
we
that?
were like, what is Matarazzi?
when I took this place over, right? This is what they used to do.
Oh yeah, see this
I
is
don't
the
like this.
traditional.
This
yeah.
is a traditional Kobo shop or making food at home.
Exactly.
Stuff like this. You know what I'm saying? I didn't like this. You see that?
Yeah, this
It's
is
not
how they
right.
always have it.
You
We
know
went
what
to
I'm
an
saying?
African restaurant
Yeah,
yesterday.
it's
and
not
they had,
right. You know?
It was just terrible.
This
They
is
were
the future
written
that
on
we're
the-
living in. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
you're right.
You got-
Sorry,
This is my sister, one of the best clients ever, always supporting me from day one. You know what I'm saying? And right now, what you came for?
Fufu Tacos! Fufu Tacos! Oh my god. I'm so excited.
Yeah, I know it's today, but I didn't get any.
You're gonna put this aside and you just lean over right here and just watch me make your stuff right
Oh,
there. Right?
Yes!
Overnight. And the next day. And then I perfect it with whatever I had. This will make it pretty. Thank you. Yeah. Nah. Because actually is this got paid. This got paid. Fried plantain and all that stuff too. Yeah.
Right now?
After this stuff for you, yeah.
Okay, so my time is really huge today because therapists get two of each, two Fufu Tacos per go, and then of the. Wait, is this for sale or is for the event?
It's for the event, but I will have a lot of leftovers.
Okay.
So you want to? I will let you guys try one of this. I'm gonna try to do it on the foil,
Close up.
you see this right here? I want our customers to like see the food being made. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm also doing cooking class over here too. It's every Monday. Every Monday, cooking class. See, I do the tacos in a way that it's a little bit big for the basket. So
Okay.
what that does is it makes it full in.
Oh, yeah,
by
yeah, yeah.
itself. So now in that taco form.
Yep,
now.
yep. I see. So is that fufu?
That's the fufu right there.
Oh, you frying the fufu? That's a first.
I
I've
know!
never seen that.
And this never been made anywhere else in the world, bro. This is the first place you can get this at. You can't get it nowhere else.
This is the first place that it was ever made, then. This is groundbreaking right here. I know nobody in their life has fried fufu. I know that for a fact. Oh wow.
I almost said done yet. And she was still just that hotness from the jalapeno pepper and the sauce. Hold up. Not done yet. Where else you can ever go at and you have this at, bro? Look at that. Bang. That's it.
Oh my God.
Go ahead. So this right here is actually 2 for $8 right now, and then plantain $2. Okay.
Oh my God.
I gotta get to work.
That looks good.
I'm gonna make this one
We need
for
to.
you guys very quick, and I gotta start.
Okay, definitely. Thank you, man. Appreciate you.
We
though,
need
man.
to up our price. Like this.
That's why sometimes they have dry grapes, raisin. They got the fresh grape,
Yeah.
but they all taste different.
Yeah,
You see
yeah.
that?
True.
See? People be like, how come raisin tastes a little bit different?
Different than grape.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but it's the same grape.
It's the same grape.
You see
Yeah,
that?
yeah. That's it.
So, yeah,
All this was made from fufu.
right. Just show the box. That's all you gotta do is show that box. That's all they need. But
So whenever you're in Minnesota, make sure you come to Jambo African restaurant
to experience it,
to experience the best taco
Jambo is-
called Fufu Tacos.
Yes.
you got
It's
you gotta do
rich.
that
It's
over.
not just rich in carbohydrates. It's rich in protein. So
Yes.
it
Jambo
has fish.
Africa.
Jambo Africa.
And
It has
my
fish,
name
it
is
has,
Jambo Experience.
chicken,
That's the name
it
I'm gonna
has-
change it to.
Oh,
So
Jambo
you gotta
Experience.
come to
Some
the
nice
Jambo
vegetables
Africa
and
to
everything.
experience the Jambo Experience.
It's
I
really
see.
You know what I'm
good
saying?
and it
Yeah.
tastes good.
I like that. I
you gotta
like
let
that.
him know that too.
Okay. So it's called Jambo Experience. Jambo Experience.
So,
but it's Jambo Africa.
As the
Jambo
chef
Africa.
says, it's called the Jumbo Experience.
Yeah.
So come experience the Fufu Taco, exclusive to Jambo African Restaurant.
Yeah. And this for you guys right here. I don't know how y'all gonna share that, but
So now we're about to try out the Fufu Tacos.
Let's get a knife and
Let-
split it. Let me get a
So
knife and split it.
this is it.
Let me get a knife and cut it. I'm gonna get a knife.
I might do that 2 for 10.
Yeah, man, because
Yeah,
it's actually it's a lot of stuff.
because it's really rich. Like it has lots of protein, not just carbohydrate.
yeah, you're right. Yeah, it's a lot.
Like all those people who are on all those who like doing the meal prep and all those this thing. It's really good.
Yeah, man, that's better than 2 for 8. I mean,
You can have it shrimp, chicken, beef.
So
how is it? How is it?
First reaction.
Your first.
Let's get that.
It's good, huh? Okay.
It's so good as a mouthful, isn't it?
See? There goes this rich. What's it? Describe the flavor. How's it taste?
Alright, oh, you gonna take it home?
Yeah.
You don't wanna try to bite up here?
Ooh, it just went red.
no, it's good for me.
Okay. How's it taste?
Oh my God.
You could taste the fufu,
Mhm.
but the other flavors in it,
Uh-huh.
especially from the chicken, the fish, and everything just goes deep into it.
Yeah.
It's immediately you put it in your mouth, it just melts with all those African flavors.
Flavors. Oh, really?
in your mouth.
Okay. Good. It's good. Okay, Fufu Taco.
Your turn.
So that when I come back, I don't have to
Then
worry.
you come back. Once you just go, you come back and then pay.
It's good.
Okay, be done with it and then come and take
I didn't think it would taste like that.
Hmm?
I didn't think it would taste like that. It's good.
Okay, I'll serve after. I'm literally like, I'm not
A lot better than I thought because I was so unsure.
Yeah, like this is really rich. Like unlike the other normal tacos we have where it's just fruits and
Yeah.
avocado and all those stuff. But this just has protein, carbohydrate, vitamins, and all the rich African spices
yeah,
and
it has
flavors.
its own taste. It's in its
Yeah,
own.
it's
It's in its
and it's
own
even
realm.
unique for the fact that it's being done with fufu.
The fufu makes the crust on the bread.
This
on
can
the
go.
outside,
This
but
can go
soft.
as a good snacks. You just better come
Or
have to
appetizer.
try this yourself. We can't describe it because description won't do justice
It
to it.
wasn't. It wasn't. That's true.
Sugar cane drink.
It was just something different.